All right, so we're going to create a campaign on Yellow Ribbon Pages. So first of all, you go up here to create a campaign, and they're going to want us to register an account. So let's go ahead and enter. Okay, now we're going to go and verify that. All right, super. So now we can make a campaign. So got to verify all this information, verify that you've read the user agreement and the terms and conditions and you agree to those. And that all of your questions have been answered by frequently asked questions or by contacting Endo Project. And then also you need to be creating a campaign for yourself, or you have written consent to create a campaign for a loved one. If you're creating a campaign for a group or a nonprofit, you need to be a decision maker for the group or nonprofit and able to collect funds directly to their account. Like if you're a person that wants to have a fundraiser for them, you can't get the money for yourself and then go donate it to them. It has to go directly to the organization. So I want to make sure that that is clear, that we don't want to mess around with this. We want everything to be on the up and up at all times. All right, what are you raising money for? So do you want to raise money for the American End of Endo Project? Or do you want to make a campaign for yourself, a loved one, or an endometriosis group? So in this case, let's do one for ourselves. Let's do one for Toodles Tutorials endometriosis excision, right? So let's put in a campaign name. Let's see here. Toodles Tutorials campaign. Okay, be Save Toodles Tutorial, or it could be anything you want to call your campaign. That's just your leading title. Then we're going to make a short, snappy description. So in this area, you should put something that summarizes what it is you are hoping to do. Actually, probably before that, what you are going through, what you are hoping to do, things like that. Fundraising goal, it could be anything from $1 to, I don't really think there's a maximum on here, but also got to be realistic. I don't think you're gonna get $1 million or anything, but you know, sky's the limit. So for the fundraising goal in this case, I'm going to put $10,000. This stuff ain't cheap. The end date, let's see, when do we want the end date to be? Let's say the end date is in September, and September of this year, yeah. And then let's say it's the 14th, okay. And then we want this for surgery, so we're gonna have tags here. If there's something else we can use to tag it in the future, we will. I don't know how that works exactly. This is categories, even though you already selected that you want this to be for yourself, you need to select it again. Personal campaign. This is the area, tell us all about everything. Help people understand. Oops, can't type. What, more like how their donation will help you achieve your goals, right? Do you see? Okay. What are you missing out on? Like what are you wanting to gain from this? And I don't want to hear just I want to gain money for surgery. I want to hear what are you going to do after you are successful? What have you done so far that is not the surgery or is not physical therapy or is not this stuff? What other things have you tried? What's worked? What hasn't worked? like really make a compelling case here. Pretend like you're in court and the jury is wanting to hear why it is you deserve this funding. This is what you put here. Okay, make a compelling case. So I'm going to put that on here. Compelling case. Okay. Now, featured image in here, put a nice picture of yourself, right? Put something in there that's going to hook people. You're in your endo awareness gear, you're with your dog, you're going in surgery, I don't know, just a nice image that just shows who you are. Then if you want to make a video, if you're more of a video person, you can do that here. And so you can, you know, if you've got something on like YouTube or something, you can just go ahead and put that right there. And then the donation options, when people make a donation to your campaign, they'll be able to donate any amount they choose. So you can add a suggested amount. You can say, oh, hey guys, if everybody donates just $50 or something like that, I'll get to my goal. So you could make a suggested amount, or you could just let them do whatever they want. It's up to you. Then right here is allow your donors. If you click this little thing, they can give you monthly recurring donations. So if somebody's like, oh, I don't have a whole lot right now, but I really am vested in like helping you, they could say, okay, well, I'll donate $20 a month until September. And so that's, let's see, February, March, April to May to June, July, August, September. So 6 months away. So you do the math. Okay. So that's another way. So you put in your name. Okay. All your info. Little short bio. I know you just talked all about your story, but you can put more of a bio here, like I love dogs and baking cupcakes. Oops, golly, I'm really not a great tutorial maker. Sorry, guys. Organization. If you have an organization that you're affiliated with, feel free. Profile image. This is your actual photo of you, which could be the same as the last one or a different one. And then terms and conditions, your personal data used to process your donation, blah, blah, blah. Yes, cool, submit, or you can preview, whatever. Submit campaign. Groovy. Okay, look at this. So then you're going to have to get set up with Stripe. And the reason that this happens is because Endo Project wants to make it so that everything is really, really easy and you feel good about this. You feel good that your transaction, your donor's transaction, is all between you, the campaigner, and the donor, and the conduit in between is Stripe. So if you put in the right information for the Stripe account, Endo Project will never touch your funding ever. And so this makes it easier for you. It makes it easier to track. You'll get your money faster. There's so many benefits to just working directly with Stripe. So that's why we do what we do. So anyway, from this point on, you'll just go forward and you're going to have to create a Stripe account. I know this is kind of a lot of steps, but obviously it's worth it. And this is kind of what you're going to get with like any crowdfunding platform. You're going to have steps that you have to take, and it's worth it because then people give you the tools you need to succeed in your next step for health. So the next thing that'll happen after all this is that you will be verified by Endo Project. We'll be like, okay, yeah, this is a legit account, and then it'll go live. And yeah, it'll go live, and then you just start promoting the heck out of this, and we'll try to put more videos up in the future that are hopefully of a better quality, that will help you promote things. Well, videos about how to promote yourself, rather. Anyway, so that is how to make a campaign. If you have any questions, please contact us or send a comment, and we will answer questions however we're able to. So hopefully this helps you, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.